Man, thank you for making this meal, dude. I don't know. Have I ever had your like steak? This must be the first time for me. Yeah, man. I don't think you've ever had my steak, but most of my friends love it, so you're gonna really enjoy it. I hope so. I've heard some good things. So how's it? It's good, right? Oh my god. Oh, this is so good. You having a orgasm over there? What are you doing? Man, it's just food. Food is good, but it's not that good. You can chill out now. What is your deal? It's so good. It's so unbelievably good. This is the best steak I've ever had. Oh, I'm gonna have to let you inside me now. What? Nah, man. You're a funny guy, but the steak's good, yeah. But you're making a lot of noise, man. It's really ridiculous. Oh no. Oh no, the second wave is coming. The second wave is coming. Oh! Ah! 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 What kind of demon has possessed you? Nothing. Your food was just giving me the best foodgasm of all time. I don't even need glasses, but I need to see you in 8K. Because what the This food is so good. I can't stop. It's in me. It's in my stomach and it's making me worse. Gosh. Oh my gosh. Ooh. What is going on, man? What is going on with you, man? What is going on with you? You're having the weirdest episode of Foodgasm, whatever that is. Dude, I've gone, this is really good. Not all this. This is too much. This is theatrics. This is straight up something out of like an SNL sketch. What is going on right now, man? Not even an SNL sketch. It could be a Trey Rag sketch. It could be anyone. Maybe not Long Beach Griffey because his are a certain type of sketches. But what is going on here, man? What is going on? You are having the weirdest thing of all time. This is not a foodgasm. This is straight up the weirdest thing I've ever seen. You need help. You good? I have arrived. You have a bed? I think I need to take like a 3-hour nap. That took so much out of me. Sure, bro. Go to the guest room. It's down the hall. To the right. Oh my gosh. What is wrong with that guy?